Welcome to Home of Math. In this video, we are going to solve these four exponent. Let's simplify. Here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 1, look, here is cubic root of 6 root a to the power 9 whole power 4. Very complex matter, but we will solve very easy way. Look, we know a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m times n. If more power like 2, so here is also 2, and finally we multiply a to the power m times n times 2. It's a one thing. Another thing, nth root of a, we can write a to the power 1 by n. Parallelly, if nth root of a to the power m, we can write a to the power this m times 1 by n. These three things we already knew. Now look, here is cubic root, here is 6 root, and here is to the power 9 and whole to the power 4. So first, this one if we compromise, look, a to the power 9, then this one times 1 to the power 1 divided 6, again 1 divided 3, and finally whole power we can multiply by 4. This is a simple thing. Okay. Now look, here is 6 times 3 a to the power, and here is 9 times 4. So 9 times 4 means 36 and 6 times 3 means 18. So our answer is, if we divide by denominator and numerator by 18, so here is 2 and here is 1. Our answer is a to the power 2 or a square. If we know this one, easily we can solve these kinds of math, right? So our first one is done. Number 2, look, here is lots of power, like here is 2 to the power 3, then power 1 by 3, then power 8, then 1 by 8. So first, look, here is 3 to the power 1 by 3. We know a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power m times n. This one we can write. So similar, here is 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 8 and to the power 1 by 8 we can multiply, like 2 to the power 3 times 1 by 3 times 1 times 8 times 1 by 8, right? Now look, here is 3 divide 3 we can cut, 8 divide 8 we can cut. So our answer is, here is 1. So 2 to the power 1, we know 2 to the power 1 means 2. Look, it's looking very complex, but answer and method is not so complex. We have to know these kinds of power rule of exponent, right? Similar, look, a to the power m to the power n to the power x, everything will be multiplied. Why? Look, here m and n we can multiply, again to the power x we can multiply a to the power m times n times x. Similar, we are doing method in here. So our first one and second one done. Let's start number 3. we've already discussed about a to the power m to the power n. It means a to the power mn, and also nth root of a means a to the power 1 by n, and also n root of a to the power m, we can write a to the power 1 by n times m. It means a to the power m by n. This is a basic concept of exponent. So similar, here is fifth root of root x to the power 10 to the power 2. So this one, look, if here is a root sign and here is a square, we can out this one. So so balance is x to the power 10. Okay, it's a normal thing. Or this one, if we more clear, x to the power 10, then if we omit root, we can write 1 by 2, and this power, it will become times 2. So 2 and 2 we can cut. Our balance is x to the power 10. So same thing, x to the power 10 times 1 by 5. Why? Because nth root of a, it means a to the power 1 by 9. So here is 10 divide 5, it means 2. So here is x square, right? This is our answer. So number 3 also complete. Now we will start number 4. Number 4 also similar method. Here is 3 to the power 2 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 1 by 2, and finally to the power 10. So here everything is power. So the base is 3 we can write, and the power formula of exponent we know, a to the power m to the power n means a to the power mn. So similar thing, here is 2 times 1 by 5 times 1 by 2 times 10, right? Now look, these 2 and these 2 we can cut, and here is 5 and here is 10. So 5 times 2 means 10. So once we divide by 5, here is 10, 2, and we can cut 5. So 3 square, our answer is 3 square means 9. So everything we solve very easy way, and basic format is this one, and nth root of a means a to the power 1 by 9. We have to keep memorize this 1, 2, these two formula. Okay, thank you very much being with me. Today we are trying to solve this 4 math. It's very important for math Olympiad or any kinds of examination like grade 8, grade 9 or O-level examination. So hope you understand this one. If you have any question, just put on your comments in comments box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.